Hi guys, demo namin. Full carbon fiber steering, kakakabit lang sa Fortuner G. Fortuner G model, kakakabit, upgrade lang natin ng full carbon fiber steering. Napakagwapo. So steering is around 30 plus. You have to make a reservation, 10,000 for the reservation. Ito, poging-pogi oh. So imagine nyo, ito na yung steering nyo, natatraffic kayo, long drive. Sarap. Ferrari type ha, flat yung taas, flat yung bottom. So tamo, maluwag siyang gamitin sa paa nyo. So ang ganda. Yan, original, full carbon. So make reservation guys, pag dumadating to, laging out of stock na po. So make reservation para sa next batch namin. So reservations, 10,000, 30 plus yung steering. So original siya, hindi siya replica. So original siya, carbon fiber. So send us a message.